Good morning, year ones. Today for our maths learning we're going to be doing some more addition work. So before we start, you're going to need your number line from your learning pack. You might need your 100 square, so dig that out as well. And you're going to need your homeschool books, the blue ones, the maths ones. So if you go and pause the video and go and do that now for me. Okay, so now we're all ready. We have an astronaut today and he says, "Hello year one trainee astronauts. You are about to jet off to space to meet some aliens. Before you go, you have a few tasks to do. Please have your homeschool books ready." So we're all good to go now, aren't we? First, you need to work out how many astronauts will be going with you. So each of the questions that comes up in this video, you're going to pause it each time and work out the answer and write it straight into your maths book. So we're going to do our learning together today. So first you need to complete the part-whole model. So can you draw this part-whole model into your maths book for me? So you need your circle at the top and your two lines and then your two circles. And in one circle we have got 1, 2, 3 spots. And in the other circle we have 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. Can you draw those now for me? So these spots that are in our part of our part-whole model, they represent the astronauts that's to be going to space. So we need to count them all together to work out our whole number, which is to go at the top. And we're going to do that now. Are you ready? Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what's our whole number? Our total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7. So if we were to write the addition number sentence, it would be 3 plus 4 equals 7. If you pause the video, can you write the number sentence underneath for me? Okay. Now we need to get all the equipment ready. So we need to take some food and juice with us. There are two types of juice cartons. There's orange juice and there's apple juice. So we have a sentence here with some gaps that we need to fill. It says something orange juice cartons add something apple juice cartons equals how many juice cartons? So what we need to do is count the orange juice, then count the apple juice and work out how many there are all together by counting them all. Okay, so how can we write that as a number sentence? We would start with counting our orange juices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first number in your number sentence should be 5. And what symbol are we using today? We're using a plus or an add. So 5 plus, how many apple juices? 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 3 equals, remember your equal symbol. Okay, so pause the video now and count them all together for me. Okay, let's check your answer. Did you write 5 plus 3 equals 8? Super job. So when we count them all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our total number is 8. Okay, now we're going to practice using our number line to add. So make sure you have your number line ready. So it's time to load the rocket. There should be 10 food packets, 10 space helmets and 10 chocolate bars. How many of each are missing? Write as a number sentence. Okay, so we've got some of our food packets and some of our helmets and some chocolate and one chocolate bar. We need to work out how many more we need, and that's the other number in our addition number sentence. Okay, so how can we use the number line to help us with this? So what we need to do is count how many food packages there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now you need to find your number 5 on your number line, and we know that we need 10 altogether. So we need to see how many jumps it takes to get to our number 10. And how many jumps it takes is our answer. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It took me 5 jumps to get to number 10, which means we need 5 more food packages. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what would our addition number sentence be for that one? We had 5 and we added 5 more. It would be, see if you can have a go at writing it down. 5 and 5 more. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, check that you wrote it correctly. Did you write your symbols in the correct place? Super. Okay, so next we have our space helmets. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 3. Now, if you think back to your number bonds to 10, then you might be able to work this out really quickly. So you just need to think, what number do I add on to 3 to make a total of 10? If you're not sure and you can't remember your number bonds, then you can use your number line again. See if you can work this one out yourself. So we have 3 and we need to get to 10. Okay, pause the video now and try and work that one out and write your number sentence. Okay, did you work that one out? So we needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 more space helmets to make a total of 10. So our number sentence should be 3 plus 7 equals 10. Super job. Okay, so we've only got 1 chocolate bar. I think we're going to need a lot more, aren't we? We've got 1, but we need 10. Okay, have a go at this one. You can use your number line or you can use your fingers to work it out nice and quickly. And can you write the number sentence that needs to go with it? Okay, so let's see. We needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We needed 9 more chocolate bars. So our number sentence would be 1 plus 9 equals 10. Okay, the next task. It says you need to unlock the rocket door, but it has a padlock. You must crack the code. So can you see above each of the boxes, so this is where we're going to put our code in for the padlock for the rocket. You need to answer the addition number sentences to work out what each number for our padlock is. So we'll do the first one together. 5 plus 3. Now you can use your fingers, or you can use your number line, or you could use some counters if you have counters, or pasta to add at home. It's up to you. I'm going to show you on the number line. So 5 plus 3. So our biggest number in that number sentence is the 5. So I'm going to start on my 5. And we're adding on 3. So I'm going to do 3 jumps on my number line. 1, 2, 3. I land on number 8. So we know the first number is number 8. Okay, I'd like you to work out the other 4 numbers for me in the same way using your number line, and write them down in your homeschool book for me. You can pause the video now to do that. Okay, so hopefully you've had a go at that. So let's work out the answers together. So the next one was 8 plus 1. So we need to start on the biggest number, which is 8. And we only need to do one jump because we're adding on 1. So we land on number 9. So our answer is 9 for that one. Okay, the next one says 2 plus 6. So which number do we start with if we're using our number line? It's always the biggest number, isn't it? So that we have to do the least amount of jumps. So we find our 6 on our number line, and then we have to add the other number, which is the 2. 1, 2. I land on number 8. So the answer is 8. The next one says 1 plus 7. So which number do I need to find? The biggest number, which is 7. And how many jumps do you think I need to make? Just one jump, because I need to add on the 1 to the 7. So one jump and I land on number 8. Ooh, lots of 8s in this code. Okay, the last one, 3 plus 2. Oh, you could use your hands easily for this one, couldn't you? We know if we hold up 3 fingers on one hand and we need to add the other 2, we quickly know that that makes a total of 5, doesn't it? That was a nice quick one to work out. So our code for the rocket door was 89885. Is that what you got? Super job. You have unlocked the padlock and are ready for takeoff. Ready? Should we count down from 10? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Well done. You have landed on Planet Blurb. The aliens have come to greet you. Woo! Look at these. There's some green aliens and some pink aliens. The green alien gang say that they are the largest gang. The pink alien gang say that they are the largest gang. Who is correct? Now, you can quickly see that one of the groups has more than the other just by looking, can't you? Okay, we're going to count them to see which one is the biggest, see if you were correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 green aliens. Here's our number 15. Let's check how many pink ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There were 9 pink aliens. So the green gang are correct because there are more of them. There are more green aliens. How many more green aliens are there? How many more green aliens are there than pink aliens? Oh, now this is getting tricky. So how could we work that out? What do you think? If we were to use a number line, how could we work that out? So what we could do is find the number 9 on our number line and see how many jumps it takes us to get to 15. And that will be how many more green aliens there are than pink aliens. So let's see how many jumps to get to our 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It took me 6 jumps to get to 15. That means that there are 6 more green aliens than pink aliens. Okay, now you've had lots of addition practice. You're going to have a go at a colour by numbers today. So you need to work out the addition number sentence to know which colour to use for each part of the alien. Or, instead of that, if you don't have a printer, you can play an addition game. So the link is to the BBC Bite Size website, and there's some games on there to practice your addition. Well done everybody, super adding today.